Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal of our finished creations. First, let me show you our stunning candy dish. Isn't it beautiful? The textured background with those festive candy inlays creates such a perfect holiday serving piece that's both functional and decorative. Next, take a look at these adorable little heart trinkets. These have little candies on them and a lobster clip, making them perfect for attaching to bags, keys, or anywhere you want a touch of handmade charm. Now for our complete jewelry set. Here's the keychain. See how the resin captures the light? And now the matching necklace. And these delicate earrings to complete the collection. All these pieces coordinate perfectly with their children's ocean theme, as you can see when I hold them together in my hand. Let me set these down on our tray and show you this special single keychain I made as well. And I can't forget these precious pocket hearts with their charming little faces. I created these four using the gold glitter and remaining white resin I had left. They're perfect little tokens to keep or share with someone special. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey today. I had an absolute blast making these pieces and sharing the process with all of you. Be sure to come back for more crafting adventures. Same crafty channel, same crafty time.